gonna have to have something to wash this down with.
Woo.
So why don't we get together and make our strawberry lemonade? We have got a simple syrup here in our pot that we cooked with fresh strawberries and some fresh basil. So what we're gonna do is just strain that and look at.
It looks beautiful.
Yes.
Yummy.
We've got our 2 cups of lemon juice, and just for looks.
Yeah, that'll be so pretty.
Yes, we got to have a few lemon slices.
My little Daisy loves pink lemonade.
Does she?
I gotta make this with her.
I was gonna say you'll have to make this for Daisy.
Can you give it a little stir?
Yes, give it a stir.
Ooh.
Wow. There is nothing like sitting on the front porch, y'all, and having a little glass of homemade lemonade.
I've been saving up for this all day.
Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.